Hi, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. Today I'm going to show you my method for cleaning my electric coffee pot. This may be my favorite appliance in the whole house, just because we drink so much coffee. Now our coffee pot we probably make, I don't know, 15 to 20 pots of coffee a week. So this thing needs to be cleaned regularly. 3 of the main reasons you want to be cleaning your coffee pot is, 1, obviously you want to sanitize it routinely to make sure that you have it nice and clean. The second one is, if you have hard water like we do, then it will keep your product running longer, and hopefully you'll have it around for much longer time. The third thing is, there is nothing like a fresh pot of coffee out of a freshly cleaned coffee pot. You won't have any of that burnt taste or anything else. It is just amazing, and we love our coffee. So I'm going to show you how I clean it. Other people may clean it differently. This is just the way we do it, and it works real well for me. As you can see, ours needs cleaned. I kind of waited a little bit longer than I should have. I've emptied out my grounds. I'm going to put a fresh filter in. I only actually use 3 ingredients: lemon juice, white vinegar, and water. That's all I use to clean my coffee pot. Okay. I use 1/2 of a cup of lemon juice. Any lemon juice is fine. I just use the Great Value brand. Doesn't need to be anything special. Or if you have fresh lemons, you can squeeze those in there. I use 1 cup of white vinegar. Once again, I don't use any particular brand. We always just get the generic. And I know what you're thinking. You probably don't like the smell of vinegar, but it will go away in no time. Don't worry about it. And then you're just going to fill the rest of the pot up with plain tap water. There you go. We're going to pour this in as if we were making a pot of coffee. Hopefully I don't spill it here. There we go. Set that on there. We're going to run this mixture through the coffee pot 2 times. We're going to run it all the way through, turn it off, pour it back in, and do it a second time. I'll be back with the next step when this is done. Alright, so we are done with the second time of running our solution through. Get this basket out. Don't know if you guys can see all that sediment in the bottom of there, but it really cleaned a lot out. So I am going to take my pot and pour this solution down the sink. I'm going to wash my basket, my pot, wipe down the whole body of the coffee pot, and then I'll be back and I'll show you how we do the final rinse. Okay, so we got our strainer basket washed out good. If you still have stains in it, don't worry about it. It's probably just going to stay that way and it's not going to come out. But it won't change the flavor of your coffee or anything. We're going to put a fresh filter in, threw the old one away. As you can see, we have hard water. It's got sediment in it, but you can tell already how clear that pot is. We're going to get this poured in here. Run it one more time, just for a rinse, to make for sure that we don't have any of the flavors of the lemon juice or the vinegar left over. Usually one time is plenty enough for this though. Get this done and then we'll be done with it. I'll be back. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. The coffee pot's clean now. Now this is just a cheapy coffee pot, to be honest with you, but by us cleaning it regularly, hopefully it'll extend the life of it and we get many more pots of yummy coffee out of it. That being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you go down in the comments, let me know how you clean your coffee pot or if you tried this method and what you think of it. But for now, I've got to go because Tony's wanting coffee, and I will see you in the next one.